Well, good morning. Today, I am doing some stuff which requires me to test the 2014 Copart Fusion. So today I'm going to locate the OBD2 connector and show you where it's at. So this is going to be a short, simple video, but that way if you type in and say, where's my OBD2 connector on my 2014 Fusion, this is what you're going to see. All right, as I stated, this is going to be a super quick video, but the location of the OBD2 sensor is right up there underneath your dash above the footrest. So if you're looking for it, that's where it's at. Hopefully you found that interesting and useful. Please give my video a thumbs up, a thanks, a like, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a great day.